Good morning, sugar pies. How we doing? How we feeling? I am in my garage. I'm talking to you all from my garage because I know, see, there goes the lighting. I'm back. Okay, let's get some heat going on in here because this weather's bipolar. Oh my gracious. I just wanted to come on and say good morning. With daylight saving time, you guys know that my mornings are super uber duper dark. And so, yeah, so anyway, I am headed out and I will chat with you guys a little bit later. It's like I get a better lighting, like if I'm just like this, but when I'm driving, it seems like it gets darker or something. I don't know. I guess, I don't know how that works, but anyhow, I think I got the light in the garage that helps or whatever. So I just wanted to come on and say hi. I haven't done any OOTDs lately. This is an old top that I've had forever, and I have on my black Zara jeans. But maybe I'll show it to you this evening. I posted a video yesterday. I went to TJ Maxx and Ross. So I shared with you guys a few things that I purchased. I'm still loving my blue polish. It's that from that KO brand. Why is that? Is something getting ready to happen? All right, sugar pies. Whew. Okay. Y'all just have no idea what I've been through. I ended up like this. I was recording, but I just went on and deleted the footage because I actually am running low on my footage for my SD card. So I was like, let me just delete this because y'all don't need to hear me. Like, I got all turned around, went through a darn parking lot of a car dealership trying to get the beer miller. Y'all know sometimes I just be laughing at myself. I'll be like, okay, where am I trying to go? Oh, my nose. Okay, so anyway, it's lunchtime, y'all, and I just made a pit stop over to Ross. I actually didn't eat lunch. I ate lunch before I left work, but I was like, you know what? I'm in that place every day, all day. I was like, I'm gonna go to Ross because I need to try to find these bins before they're all gone. And y'all, guess what? I got another mini haul to go with my other mini haul. I got me some containers over here. I am so excited. And see, I was gonna try to show them to y'all while I was sitting still, but so much stuff was happening. So like, I mean, I kid y'all not, like so much was happening. I could not get myself situated for nothing. So I'm hoping this light's gonna turn red while I'm running my mouth, and I'm gonna have a minute to share with you guys. But I showed y'all last night I had one of the $9.99 ones, and then I had two of the $7.99 ones. Well, y'all, I found a $12.99 one, and this one is even bigger, which is really good because I think I can get by with using the bigger ones more so than the smaller one. And then I got another $9.99 one. Okay, light is red. So here is, you can't really see how big it is. I'll show it to you better when I get home. But I'm so excited, y'all. So I bought the two big ones that they had, and then one more of the $9.99 size. That one has like this little, like where it's like you know how like when material is stretched or scratched and it has like so I don't know about that one, but I think it's gonna be okay and that will be the one that I'll take back if I decide that I don't need as many as I think I'm gonna need or whatever. I probably have more than enough, but I just want to make sure that I have enough, if you know what I mean. And so I got while the getting was good. Both of these are the same, and they have the gray at the top and the whitish color at the bottom. And so I am so excited about putting those in my closet and getting my closet organized. I'm certainly broke right now. I kid y'all not. Like I have spent all my little money that I made from my sale of my stuff on OfferUp, so I can't spend no more money. That is all gone. But I did order my shoe rack, and I ordered me some hangers because I am getting ready to convert all my hangers in my closet to the same hanger, and I'm gonna get rid of all the weird hangers that I have. I'm just gonna get rid of them. They're gonna be gone, kaput. Get out of my face, don't come back. So I'm very excited about the stuff that I found. Now I did find this. Now I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not. But it was one of those things where I was like, and now I'm thinking I should have just got some little things that were $1.99, and I didn't. They were like these little cute little salt and pepper shakers, like mason jars, but they didn't have like, why didn't I just get those? I hate when I do stupid stuff like that. Like they were $1.99. I got up to the register and told the lady I didn't want them. I could slap myself in the face. But I saw these are sharper image, and I like these, but I'm thinking, you know, like, I don't know if this is gonna be what I want. They have a little case like thing to sit in, but I don't think I'm gonna use that. This is like the box, and it, like I said, it has like this little case, and these are the little canisters, which these are so cute. These were $4.99, which I absolutely love the way they look. Okay. So anyway, I do love the way they look. I just don't know if, because I'm trying to do, I don't know, I'm trying to do things looking kind of like old school. And now that's why I'm sitting here going, why didn't I just keep them darn mason jars? What was I thinking? They were $1.99, y'all. I could kick myself. But anyway, so I'm excited that I got my little baskets. I'm headed back to work. I'm dealing with traffic. I was on my way to Bill Miller, and that's what caused so much commotion, because I went through I did the turnaround, which I should have gone up to the, well, no, I should not have. It was no easy way to get to Bill Miller than what I just did. But anyway, I did the turnaround thinking I could just work my way over, but they have a cement like wall thing that goes further down than the turn does, so I turned into what I thought was a street, but once I turned into it, I realized it was a car dealership, and I was like, seriously, girl? So then I was like, well, this thing have it out to the end on the other side, and it did, but I had to drive through some speed bumps and all kinds of craziness to get there. Then I had to like double my way, but it was just stressful and crazy. So I was like, I'm not gonna subject y'all to that chaoticness. Y'all would think I'm completely crazy. So anyway, I am so excited about my little baskets. That's all that matters. I'm pretty sure now I have enough baskets to decorate, you know, not decorate, but like to redo my closet and put everything in a perspective place, as well as the fact that I'm hoping to get rid of a whole bunch of stuff and need not very many of these baskets at all. That would be ideally the goal, but y'all know that could very well may not happen, because I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to be as obedient to the cause as I would like to be. So we shall see. But anyway, I am almost back at work now, so I'm gonna get off of here, because I do want to show y'all my little baskets when I get home. I do like the size of these, that these are bigger. It's so funny because I thought the $9.99 ones were pretty big, and now that I see the $12.99 ones, I'm like, shoot, no, those aren't really that big after all. At least, I don't know, they just look, it's just funny how they look so much bigger than I thought the other ones were real big. But anyway, so I am going to head back to the job, and hopefully my payroll is ready for me to finalize and do all that stuff when I get back, because I'm gonna be bad if it's not. So we'll see. But anyway, I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Hey there, chicken pies. How we doing? How we feeling? So I made it home, and I've actually changed into my gym clothes. Ta-da! My leggings are from TJ Maxx. This sweatshirt, I think it's one from Target, if I remember correctly. It's very old. It's kind of cool right now, so I decided to just go with sweatshirt. I don't have any gym, well, I was gonna say any gym socks on. Gym socks on, but I don't have my gym shoes on yet. We'll put them on right before I walk out the door, but I do want to show you guys my little baskets. Well, I should call them big baskets, right? Because they're not little, they're kind of big. And I'm excited because these are bigger than the ones that I have. So now I may or may not, okay, let me set you guys down so y'all can see. But here they are. And I'm looking, and yes, this one is the same size as the other one. For some reason, like I said, that one seemed so big yesterday when I looked at it. But this is the same size of the ones that I showed you all last night. And then these are the newer ones, so you can kind of tell. Okay, I can't get all of that in the camera at the same time. Let's do it this way. So you can tell by the size that way that this one is much bigger. So I'm pretty excited. There's 2 in here, and then there's this one. And of course, like I said, whatever I don't use, I will obviously take back, or if I don't use them in any other rooms as far as for storage. But of course, once I start putting everything together, we'll see. But this is what I was telling you all about. I don't know if you'll see it in the camera, but this one has just a little bit of a defect there. But I don't think it's gonna be anything major. I don't think you can probably see it in the camera, but I'm gonna be okay with that, I think. This will be the last one that I'll use, so that I don't, if it turns out not to be a good one, then I'll take that one back if I don't need it. So anyhow, I'm really excited about the things that I've got. I'm gonna be going to the gym probably in about 30 minutes or so. I haven't been faithful. I'll be the first one to tell y'all, I have not been faithful. I've been faithful to the couch, but not to the gym. I'm trying, y'all. I really am, but I think it's honestly, I honestly do feel like it's all the stuff that I'm doing on the weekends. I'm just purely exhausted. So I don't feel like I'm just not doing anything, because I feel like when I'm lifting and bending and moving, I'm getting an aerobic workout. I mean, seriously, I'm getting an aerobic workout. So, but tonight I'm going to go, and I don't know, I'm thinking I'm gonna do like treadmill, and maybe, I don't know, I might do a few hand weights, maybe, I don't know. I feel like I'm getting flabby underneath my arms, like right under here. I don't want to be all flabby, so I gotta work on that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do until I get there, but we'll see. Obviously, maybe I'll do a little bit of my cell phone and try to, like, I don't know, say hey, what's up or something. But I know I'm not taking this camera. So anyhow, I'm going to edit some footage right now before I go to the gym, and try to get a video uploaded for you guys for tomorrow. I don't know if it'll be this one, which it probably won't be if I'm gonna include any of the gym footage, but we'll see. But I do have some stuff from the weekend that I really want to go through and see, and then I can clean out my phone. So anyway, yeah, so that's what's happening for me today. I'm gonna try to have a chilled evening after I come back from the gym. I'm not gonna do anything, but I do want to go to bed somewhat at a decent time, because the last few nights I have not. So anywho, I'll chat with you guys in a little bit.